This is the NordicTrack Fusion CST Studio, and NordicTrack says it can replace your entire home gym with one sleek, connected machine. Strength training, cardio, trainer-led classes, the whole deal. But after spending serious time with it, I realized there's something the marketing really glosses over. It's impressive, but it's not for everyone. So the real question is this the future of home workouts or just another expensive fitness gadget? NordicTrack Fusion CST Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The NordicTrack Fusion CST Studio is a smart home gym released as part of NordicTrack's push into fully connected fitness. It combines digital magnetic resistance, dual cable arms, and a large touchscreen running iFit's trainer-led workouts. This is aimed squarely at busy professionals, apartment dwellers, and anyone who wants guided workouts without a room full of equipment. Instead of stacking plates, you're getting up to 20 pounds of digital resistance per arm, controlled electronically. Pair that with iFit's subscription-based ecosystem, and the big selling point is convenience. Strength, HIIT, and cardio-style workouts in one compact footprint. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Day-to-day, the Fusion CST Studio is surprisingly smooth. The magnetic resistance adjusts instantly, so when a trainer says drop the weight, it happens automatically. No fumbling, no pauses. That alone makes workouts feel way more fluid than traditional cable machines. I use this for everything from upper body strength sessions to fast-paced HIIT circuits, and it handled transitions really well. The resistance is quiet, almost eerily so, which makes it apartment-friendly. There's no clanking, no rattling, just a soft hum. That said, advanced lifters might hit a ceiling. If you're used to heavy compound lifts, the max resistance can feel limiting. It's clearly designed more for time under tension workouts, controlled reps, and metabolic training rather than pure strength gains. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features, because this is where the Fusion CST Studio earns its price tag. First up, digital magnetic resistance. This replaces traditional weights, which means smoother motion and instant adjustments. In real life, that translates to safer workouts and zero setup friction, especially great if multiple people share the machine. Next is iFit's integration. You're getting trainer-led classes where resistance changes automatically based on the workout. That's huge. It keeps you focused on form instead of numbers, and it honestly feels like having a personal trainer in your living room. Another big one is the dual cable system. The arms move independently, allowing for balanced strength work and more natural movement patterns. That's great for functional training and injury prevention. Finally, the touchscreen display ties it all together. It's responsive, easy to navigate, and makes workouts feel immersive instead of monotonous. Design and build. Aesthetically, NordicTrack nailed it. The Fusion CST Studio looks modern and clean, more high-end tech than garage gym. The frame feels solid, and the cable arms move smoothly without wobble. It's compact enough to fit in smaller spaces, but still feels sturdy under tension. Ergonomically, the handles are comfortable, and the layout makes sense even if you're new to cable machines. One thing to note, because everything is screen-driven, you're really interacting with it like a device, not just equipment. That's a plus for tech lovers, but it might feel restrictive if you prefer free-form workouts. Pros: automatic weight adjustments with iFit, compact, apartment-friendly design, trainer-led workouts that actually keep you motivated. Cons: limited resistance for advanced lifters, requires an ongoing iFit subscription. Final verdict. So, who is this actually for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're someone who struggles with consistency, loves guided workouts, and wants a clean, all-in-one solution, the NordicTrack Fusion CST Studio makes a ton of sense. It removes friction, saves space, and genuinely makes working out feel easier to stick with. However, if you're a hardcore lifter chasing max strength, or someone who hates subscription-based ecosystems, this probably isn't your machine. You'd be better off with traditional weights or a more open cable system.